Welcome back to Color TV.
What's up?
This is Burnt Chicken
and Be So Cray.
Yeah, man. So look, we got another video for y'all today. Another horror short film called Nightingale by
Mr. Friend.
Exactly. As we told you before, we don't get scared, man. If you get scared, just watch the video with us, and we'll hold your hand and walk you through it. You know what I mean?
And if you think you got something more scary, drop it below.
Please.
Let's see it.
Please do. Without further ado, man, we're finna go ahead and get into the video. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Let's get it.
Far away from Earth, through the cosmic rift, alone in space, does the Nightingale drift. At the edge of our solar system, a rather long trip. Amongst the bright shining stars, one man fixing his ship. That seems to have done it. Time to head back now.
Sorry. You gonna say damn. My bad, y'all boys. Thank you.
That's probably the most scariest thing about this film.
Well done, John. Another good day of work.
Days.
How long that is?
Not a whole year.
About a year? Oh,
Almost.
about a year. This is a good animation, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
It is.
Are you doing okay back there, Molly? Yes, Daddy. Mr. Hutchins and I are having ever so much fun.
The voice is kind of funny, ain't gonna.
What's that? You want to play with Daddy? Mr. Hutchins wants to play together with you. Oh, does he now? Well, tell Mr. Hutchins that once we get to Grandma's, I'll be sure to give it...
Kind of figuring, like, what
I
the
had,
heck?
yeah, I had a clue. Yeah, why is he turning around looking in the back?
Yeah. And it's raining?
Crazy. He drive like how you drive.
Nah. Nah. I don't even know what to do. If I should pause it or not. That is crazy.
That's messed up.
She got an arm over there and a hand over here.
Just imagine that, bro. Like
You was walking around like he kind of all right, and they both
yeah,
unalive.
Like, yeah. Dang.
Oh my, it appears you've had another one of your bad dreams.
But did that really happen though? That's what I want to know.
That door was definitely closed before you fell asleep. John went over to the door. It was very dark. Huh?
That's the
What's
bed.
that? Mr. Hutches?
This kind of crazy to me. I don't know why I get this little. I guess maybe it's just this that's giving me a little giggle. And yeah, I mean, it's being out of space is not somewhere you want to be, where you possibly have an intruder. Because it's not like you can be able to hop out.
I mean, but you gonna take matters in your own hand, just like how you gonna defend
You
your
don't
house.
have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, just saying. Being out of space ain't where you want it to happen at.
I think that's the best place for it to happen. There's no laws, there's no rules.
But imagine, alright, so somebody come out of space, and they have gravity inside the ship, and they start shooting.
First,
and
how
now you
did
got an air leak.
First, you was on the ship by yourself in the first place.
Supposedly.
So it can't be a regular human.
That's what makes it even worse.
You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I don't care. I'm defending myself.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Through and through, bro. Like, nah. But I'm thinking he might be hallucinating.
So you think he having a dream inside of a dream?
Probably.
Maybe. Let's see.
Or like his daughter's spirit or something. He gotta be.
Oh, that's. I don't know.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Seen that?
Yeah, it is.
Huh?
I gotta sneeze again, y'all.
There isn't supposed to be anyone else on this ship.
God damn.
Listen.
Thank you.
If your ear started bleeding, drop a comment below.
What?
If their ear started bleeding.
Told you. But she start running. Ooh. Oh, no. What the heck? What the? What you do in that situation? Have you seen
Close my door. Close my door.
But that's your daughter though, like you ain't.
It depends.
Like
Is she
your
even
daughter.
alive?
What the?
Boy, you wild.
Molly?
Oh no, girl.
Daddy,
Told you.
don't leave me, Daddy. Where's Daddy's arm? What? What's going on?
Did he die in the accident too? don't got enough sense of urgency for me, cuz. Like, I'm just not feeling he not panic enough for me.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Is he in a coma?
He might be. Or like purgatory or something. Cause I think he probably got killed. He probably got messed up in an accident too. I don't know.
That's weird.
I ain't gonna lie, that jump scare got me a little bit.
I guess somebody do get scared.
What's happening?
What we trying to figure out?
Who you gonna shoot?
Daddy, come back, Daddy.
You are not her.
Can't you hear me?
Don't you recognize my voice?
Man. He dead.
Please, Daddy, come back.
He in the hospital. He in the coma, bro.
No, please don't.
He dead. Yep.
That is...
So he was the one. Yeah, and she was talking to him in his ear, like, "Come back, come back to." That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't think you be paying attention, man.
Nah, I that's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe he's in a coma. That's crazy.
I don't think you for long, bro.
Mr. Friend done did it again.
Man, he got some good stuff.
But I'm not a rapper.
Yeah, okay.
Nah.
Nah, this is actually a good plot. You know what I'm saying?
That is crazy.
Very good story. Cause I ain't gonna cap. I thought the whole way he portrayed him dying in the end. Man, yeah, that's crazy. I don't even know what to say, y'all.
It really, I would have never guessed it would have been like this. How it was going. I was like, dang, it ain't getting scary at all.
I don't even know what to say, y'all boys.
Pay attention to the road.
I don't even know what to say, y'all boys.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Make sure y'all, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy.
And wear your seatbelt.
It was a good video though. Real good video.
Yeah. Now, so being that I've seen it all now, I give it a 7.5 out of 10.
What?
7.5 out of 10.
Nah, bro. You
No?
talking?
Oh, not on the scary. Still on scary. It was just crazy. And it had a good message behind it.
Yeah.
It didn't have a message behind it, but it kind of, you get the point.
That man said 7.5 out of 10, y'all boy. I give this a 8.5. It was good. Story told well. You know what I'm saying? Yes, it was a little bit slow in the beginning, but it came together towards halfway, and you know I like it, me personally. So I
It was
give it an
good.
8.5.
I definitely like the animation.
Yeah, animation. Yeah, story. 8.5. I don't know. You talking about 7.5. And I got a jump scare out of it. You feel me? So, yeah.
Very graphic. But y'all let us know what y'all give it. What's the rating? 1 out of 10? 0 out of 10? Man, anything you want to say?
Nah, man. Is that it? That's all?
That's basically it. So credits.
All right, for sure. Yeah, man. Like we were saying earlier, y'all got any more videos that y'all want to recommend us? You know, please leave them in the comment section. We thank y'all for y'all support, everything that y'all do for us. And until next time.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, be safe. Take care of yourself. Drive with your seatbelt on. Make sure you pay attention to the road. No texting and driving. Don't drink and drive. Yeah.
Don't be under the influence of that old.
Yeah.
And drive. Peace.
All right.